Tirumandiram. Proem, verse 83. History of Tirumular, from Kailas to earth. செல்கின்ற வாரரி சிவமுனி சித்தசன், லெல்கின்ற ஞானத்து மிக்கேல் முனிவராய், பல்கின்ற தேவர் அசுரர் நரர்த்தம்பால், ஒல்கின்ற வான்வழி ஊடு வந்தானே. I sought the way countless devas, asuras, humans take, to scale the heights all wisdom conquered. Thus a Shivamuni I grew, and Siddha true, came down here through the cerulean blue. Line 1. I sought the way, a Shivamuni I grew, and Siddha true. Sought the way is Selgintra Varari Ari, learned the path that leads upward, the route of spiritual ascent. Shivamuni translates Sivamuni, a sage devoted to Siva, Siva's own sage. Siddha true is Siddhasan, an accomplished Siddha, a perfected being who has attained supernatural powers through spiritual practice. Line 2. To scale the heights, all wisdom conquered. All wisdom conquered is Velgindra Jnanathu, victorious in knowledge, mastering all wisdom. Scale the heights translates Mikkale, excelling, surpassing, reaching the summit of spiritual attainment. As a sage is Munivarai, becoming a true rishi, a great seer among sages. Line 3. The way countless devas, asuras, humans take. Countless is Palgindra, multiplying innumerable beings. Devas are Devar, celestial beings, gods dwelling in heaven. Asuras are Asuras, titans, powerful beings. Humans is Narar, mortals. Tirumular learned the path traversed by beings of all three realms. Line 4. Came down here through the cerulean blue. Came down is Olgindra, bending, descending from the celestial heights. Cerulean blue translates Vanvari, the celestial path, the celestial route through the heavens. Through is Udu Vandane, passed through, descended. Tirumular came down from Kailas to earth through the blue expanse of sky. The essence. This verse describes Tirumular's divine descent from Kailas to earth. He learned the path that Devas, Asuras and humans travel, the cosmic highway between realms. Conquering all wisdom, he became supreme among sages, a true Shivamuni and perfected Siddha. Then he descended through the cerulean blue sky to this earthly plane. This establishes Tirumular's celestial origin. He is not merely a human sage but a divine being who chose to descend and share Siva's wisdom with humanity. Om Namah Shivaya.